Hey guys, this is Jake with my Bringback, going over some more of the basics with WordPress, focusing tonight actually on adding the content with post. And as if you haven't seen previous videos, we kind of went over a general overview of how to add content to the post and how to actually post your content onto your blog through WordPress. But tonight I want to focus primarily on how to actually add media, videos, images, etc., different file formats to your post, and then show you the front end, what it looks like. So we're going to go back into the back end, into our post area on the left hand column, and go back into our demo Hey World post. We're going to click edit to go into the back end and start editing. Alright, so the four things that we're going to run through are these top up here. So this is the upload / insert media menus up here. Before we go actually click into one of these, we're gonna prepare our cursor. We're gonna prepare where we're gonna insert this content. So as of right now, if we were to insert content, it would actually default to the first line of the cursor there. In this case, I want to put the image or the video, whatever we're gonna upload, right here. So I'm gonna click there to start, and then we're actually gonna continue on to upload. So we've got our options here. We've got to add an image, add a video, add audio, and add media, and each one of those is the same exact upload slash uploading process, but they just store them in different areas and make it easier for you to choose the options. So we're just going to focus on the add an image, and then you'll see as you guys upload videos, etc., that it's the same process for you. So go ahead and click add an image, and from here you can see we have two options to actually upload. And then they give us an option where gallery, where that's going to be where we've actually uploaded some other stuff, and then also a media library, and this will be a complete library based on the type. So two different areas that have storage where we can look at previous stuff that we've uploaded, and then we've got two other areas, from computer and from URL, where we can actually upload new content. So in this case, I'm going to show you the from URL, and then we're actually going to do the from computer. So the from URL, you can see you can go out to the internet, you can find an image that you want to put on your blog or your posting, and put in the URL here, followed by a title, and then the other option there. These two are required, but the other option here is the alternative text, and the alternative text basically gives you a little bit more search functionality to people, so people can find your images. Image caption is going to be below the image, so you can put in something, this is a photo of this, below it. Alignment, you can see we've got the standard options of left, center, and right, or none, and then also a link that we can link the image out to. So if you want to relate it to maybe an Amazon picture, or give credit to the original author if you're using somebody else's work, you can put the link in there and link it to the image. The last step would actually be inserting into the post, and once you click that insert into the post, that's going to be where that image shows up on your page. So that's the add media from URL. The one that we're actually going to demo tonight is the from the computer. And so we're going to actually upload an image that I just pulled off of WordPress's site, detailing the WordPress top plugins. So as you guys are learning WordPress, we'll get into plugins a little bit later. Alright, so that image we actually just selected. You can see the upload screen, clicked it, and opened the file. It uploads up to our server, or our hosting account, and as you can see, we've got some details that come predefined. So we've got the file name, and that's from the actual image. We've got the image type, the upload date, and dimensions there. In here we can actually edit the image. If the size isn't meeting your requirements, we can click the edit, go in there, crop it, flip it right, left, reverse mirror image, flip vertically, horizontally, and over here we can crop the image. And then we have some more options down here with thumbnails. So if you want to change the size of the thumbnail, and I'll show you exactly what the thumbnail does there. After you've finished your editing, you can go ahead and click save, which will save the options there. And again, we have some of the same options from the alternative text, giving ourselves a little bit more functionality, a caption, Here we have a little bit of a description that we can put in here, and then you can see this is where our file is actually stored on our server. And again, we've got the alignment issue, so we're going to go ahead and click center for this image, and then we get a size option for this. Since we've actually uploaded it, we can actually modify the image based on the image actually being on the server. So the full size is good enough for me. And then the last thing that you can see we can do is actually use this as a featured image as well. And a featured image is based on the template that you have for your site. It'll feature the post with an image next to it as people are in line with it. So we're going to do it just for test sake, and we can show you what it looks like. So use this feature image. You can see it loads in there. And then we're also going to insert this image into a post. So the featured image and the inserting into a post are completely different from each other, and I'll show you the difference once we insert it. So we're going to insert into the post, and as you can see, it showed up exactly where I wanted it with my cursor here. We've got an image that's centered now, and so now that we've actually added the media, we're going to go ahead and update. Alright, so post is updated. We're going to go to the front end of our blog, and as you can see, we've got a slider box here with the title of the post that we just posted, and this is what would be called the feature image. As you can see, it's not centered or anything like that inside the post, but we've got a featured section and a featured image there. So now we're going to go to this, see what our actual post looks like. So we can get there one of two ways, by either clicking the header here or going to our blog here, our blog roll. And as you can see, we've got the title followed by the content with the centered image with no featured image. So this particular theme doesn't have a featured image as the actual posting. There's some themes out there that you can get the featured image to show up right here. With this particular one, it doesn't, but it does have it in the slider on the front page. So there's your media. Definitely makes it a little bit more clean, makes it look a little bit more interactive, and keeps me intrigued on what this WordPress top plugins are. If we were to add a link, we could click this. It would take us possibly to the WordPress top plugins, or maybe another blog detailing some of the top plugins that you recommend, etc. So that's all we got for this tutorial as far as adding media to your WordPress, giving it a better feel. Pictures are worth 1,000 words, as they say. So add the media, content, video, and audio. Definitely help the blog overall. So anyway, stay tuned for the next tutorial, and we'll be going over some more features in WordPress that'll help your blog look and appeal to your end users. Alright, peace out.